something very nice here in original box. As you can see, the Cosina HDL 765, and you'll be able to order it with the packaging or without it, as you wish. Quite simple, yet very nice camera with clean lens, perfectly working automatic, manual zoom, focus, light meter works very well. It has 18 frames per second and the so-called slow motion, 36 frames per second. Very nice, yet very simple camera. So let's test it out. First of all, you need to unscrew that here and take the lid off. As you can see, super clean lid, super clean battery compartment. And then on the lid there's some signs how you need to position the batteries. So please always follow them, otherwise the camera is not going to be working and you're going to be facing some issues. With this model sometimes you need to press the battery down a little bit, otherwise it doesn't perfectly go in position. But once that's done, just put the lid back on and screw that well, tighten it well, and then record lock, on, off, once again on, and slow motion. As you can see, the automatic zoom works very well as well in both directions. Showed you that the manual one works very well as well. Focus works. The camera is in very nice condition. So let's test it out. As you all know, we always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Sorry, I forgot to pick up a cartridge. So expired cartridges are much harder to spin than regular new ones, as this one. So if the motor manages to spin an expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. As you can see, we mark the cartridge. Oops, sorry about that. Mark the cartridge, insert it in, close the lid, shoot for several seconds, and let's see what the result is. Straight film and no mark there anymore. No mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even this very hard spinning expired cartridge, so it will surely spin a brand new one as well. And the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together, which is extremely important for your footage. The camera is very simple, as said already, but in very nice condition with super nice lens, perfectly working automatic, manual zoom, light meter, both frame rates. So whoever gets it will be super lucky with it. Thank you for your time, and let's keep Super 8 alive!